Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial 3 of our Google Earth Engine tutorial series. In this tutorial we will learn about how to import large-scale international boundary polygons, how to use ERA-5 monthly aggregates and how to export out data to our Google Drive. Let's get started. To import international boundary polygons, write USDOS in your search bar. You can see 3 types of datasets: 2017 detailed data, 2017 simplified data and 2013 simplified data. We will import 2017 simplified data in this tutorial. Compared with the detailed LSIB, in the simplified dataset some disjointed regions of each country have been reduced to a single feature. Furthermore, it excludes medium and smaller islands. We can import the polygons according to its abbreviation, country code, country name and world region. We will import the data using country name. We have to filter a region of interest from variable table. Let's suppose our region of interest is China and we will import it using the name of country. To display our country polygon on the map we can use map add layer and then run the code. Here we go. You can see the polygon on the map. In the next step we will import ERA-5 monthly aggregate data. ERA-5 is the 5th generation European Center for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts atmospheric reanalysis of the global climate. Reanalysis combines model data with observations from across the world into a globally complete and consistent dataset. ERA-5 replaces its predecessor, the ERA-Interim reanalysis. ERA-5 monthly provides aggregated values for each month for 7 ERA-5 climate reanalysis parameters: 2 meters air temperature, 2 meters dew point temperature, total precipitation, mean sea level pressure, surface pressure, 10 meters U component of wind. For this tutorial we are using mean 2 meter air temperature data. It is average air temperature at 2 meter height monthly average data. Additionally, monthly minimum and maximum air temperature at 2 meter has been calculated based on the hourly 2 meter air temperature data. ERA-5 data is available from 1979 to 3 months from real-time. Units of ERA-5 temperature data is Kelvin. Now we will filter our data by date. For this tutorial we will use the data from January 1, 2005 to December 31, 2015. Again we will use the mean reducer to calculate the mean of all the data between 2005 and 2015. You can apply the reducer on per month mean or per year mean, or you can use a reducer according to your need. In the next step we will clip the data according to our region of interest. Our region of interest is China, so now we will get our results within the boundary of China. To make our map colorful and easy to understand, we will use the default color scheme provided in the Google Earth Engine examples by developers. Just copy the color scheme and paste it in Code Editor. To display the output of our result, use Map Add Layer. We can see the colored map of average 2-meter temperature data from 2005 to 2015 on the screen. The last step is to export the data to Drive. Select the variable that you want to export. For example, we want to export our variable study area. Describe your variable that you are exporting to your drive. For example, we are exporting mean 2-meter temperature. Choose your output scale, that can be 30-meter or 250-meter or 1000-meter depending upon the resolution of your data. Select the region of interest and click Run. Now you will see your output image under the Tasks tab. Click on the Run button and initiate the image. You can store your data in your Google Drive, cloud storage, or Earth Engine assets. Select the place you want to save your results and click on the Run button. It will take few seconds to few minutes depending upon the size of your data to save the outputs. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel.